I feel your pain. It can be a nightmare trying to choose the right shade of foundation for your unique skin. But more than that, it can be a frustrating and costly error that we experience repeatedly. In fact, it's probably the biggest challenge that's facing us in the makeup world today, whether we purchase online or in-store. I'm Jennifer Hines from NAS Cosmetics, a natural, Australian and safe range of makeup products. Before I became an Australian makeup formulator, I was one of those people, and I'm guessing you may be too, that had a drawer full of products that over-promised, under-delivered, and were just simply the wrong colour. Because time and money are both precious commodities, in this video I'm going to give you 3 options that are super easy so you can choose the right shade of foundation for you, and we're going to do it online. We have a Colour Connect chart on the foundation page. On the menu bar, select Shop. From the drop-down menu, choose Face, and you'll see foundations off to the side. And it's in there where you'll find the Colour Connect chart. You'll see that the descriptions of the skin tones along the bottom all correspond with the numbers on the colour of the foundations. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to break down what may seem like a more complicated decision process in choosing your colour, just in case you come across it. In the descriptions below, I'm a 1, pale white, always burns, never tans. However, if you look at the number 2, white, burns easily, tans minimally, that's also me. So I kind of feel I'm somewhere in between a 1 and a 2. And the corresponding colours to those numbers are pink ivory, aspen and maple. That's 3 colours, and according to this I can wear all 3. I'll get a slightly different look with each, but they will all work for me. And in option 2 I'll show you exactly why they will work for me. In the meantime, I am going to choose the colour of aspen. Now, most of us have either seen or experienced a foundation that was sensational when it went on. However, after it oxidized, it was just the wrong colour. Whether it be too dark, too orange or too pink, it was just wrong. But what does this mean? Now this is important, so listen up. Knowing that most shopping is done online, NAS Cosmetics deliberately and carefully formulated the products to blend with the natural oils in your skin. Okay, I tell you what, in the video, The Art of Flawless Foundation, I'm actually going to apply 2 different colours just to show you what I mean by we can wear a wide variety of the colours and they have a really good colour tolerance. And this is why I can wear any of those 3 colours that we identified in option 1, the Colour Connect chart. If you're still not comfortable with either of those 2 options, don't despair, I have a third. Samples. You get to choose 3 different colours, and I do recommend that you choose them from the colour chart that we discussed in option 1. Options galore. How good is that? I'll see you in the next video. Discover the missing link to Flawless Foundation.